Salt is one of life's basic essentials and is used daily in every household for such a wide range of uses as cooking to disinfecting. However, few people are aware that salt is also a very important raw material for industry, which is used to manufacture other important products with the various applications. Industrial salt is the main raw material in the chlor-alkali industry to produce caustic soda and chlorine, essentials in the manufacture. Such products as processed food, cooking oil, paper pulp, detergents, textiles, petroleum, chemical and pharmaceutical. In general, salt can be divided into three types, depending on resources and processes. Sea salt from seawater, solar salt from the Earth's surface salt or natural brine, and rock salt from the solution mining and underground mining. Pimai Salt Company Limited is a Thai company established in 1994 as a joint venture of Asahi Glass Company Limited, Vinyl Thai Public Company Limited, and Thai Refined Salt Company Limited. Its modern salt plant is located at Amphoe Pimai in Nakhon Ratchasima Province. As a pioneer in modern salt production by applying state-of-the-art technology from Europe for both solution mining and salt production, with annual production 1.5 million tons. Brine production by solution mining with blanket control. Brine is produced from underground rock salt deposits. By drilling exploration well to confirm the depth of rock salt horizon, salt core is selected for rock mechanic testing, composition analysis, and leaching simulation test. From rock mechanic testing, the maximum dimension of the cavern is designed. The spacing between caverns is also determined to maximize safety after the cavern construction. Leaching operation plan. Brine production well. After drilling is completed, inner and outer string is installed into the borehole as design setting depth. Then blanket medium is injected to well. Blanket medium is any material that is not dissolved salt and lighter than water and brine. In this case, diesel oil is used as blanket medium. Fresh water is injected into the well in contact with rock salt and becomes brine. The brine flow up to the surface through the inner string. The blanket medium floats on top of the cavern and prevents salt from dissolving in vertical direction. Volume of injected water, brine product are recorded. Brine concentration and composition is analyzed. From these data, cavern volume development is calculated. When the cavern volume reaches the maximum design volume, leaching will be stopped, leaving the saturated brine inside the cavern. Sonar survey is to concern the cavern shape and volume. Sonar survey tool is run in for the cavern shape measurement. Measure at several depths, the complete cavern shape can be plotted, and the volume can be calculated. Deviate from the expected shape. Leaching operation plan can be modified to get the desired shape. Brine purification. Raw brine coming from brine production well is transferred to main reactors, where chemicals are added to precipitated impurities out to get purified brine. After sludge sedimentation, it is transferred for disposal. Purified brine is pumped to store in the purified brine tank for feeding to the evaporation system. Evaporation and crystallization by mechanical vapor recompression process. The evaporation system composed of evaporator body, circulation pipe, circulation pump, main heat exchanger, vapor scrubber, and turbo compressor. The purified brine is fed to the evaporator system and heated up through heat exchanger until the temperature reaches 128 degrees Celsius, generating evaporated vapor. The evaporated vapor is washed out in the vapor scrubber before compressed by turbo compressor and enter heat exchanger. The condensed vapor leave heat exchanger and preheat feed brine before recycle and inject to the cavern to dissolve again. The salt crystal is circulated to circulation pipe until the crystal size growth and fall to salt leg at the bottom part of the evaporator. Salt crystal suspended in brine, called salt slurry, is discharged to the centrifuge to separate liquid brine and solid salt. The salt crystal outlet is conveyed by belt conveyor to salt warehouses. Moisture content of the salt product is 2.5% by weight, and the purity as dried basis is up to 99.9% by weight. Some part of salt from centrifuge is fed to dryer for dried salt production. Iodide solution is added to salt to have iodide content in dried salt between 20 to 40 parts per million. Moisture content of dried salt product is 0.15% by weight. Dried salt is packed and distributed under Prung Thip, TRF, and many other trademarks. Many of them are exported to Asia-Pacific countries. Pimai Salt Company Limited has been certified for IOS 9001, IOS 14001, OHSAS TIS 18001, iOS IEC 17025, and also GMP, HACCP, HALAL to verify in food hygiene. Since we are very well aware about environment, all production processes are pollution-free. Wash water and drainage from processes are recycled. This has entitled us to receive the Green Mining Continuous Awards from Ministry of Industry and the Environmental Impact Assessment Monitoring Awards from Ministry of Natural Resources and Environment, and so on. Furthermore, we adopt the corporate social responsibility to improve the quality of life of the communities and strengthen the relationship between the company and the communities. Pimai Salt Company Limited adheres to a long-standing management policy to maintain the highest standard of salt production and certainty achieve business sustainable development in harmony with environment and society.